In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple subtasks in Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is log into your Jira account. You can do this simply by navigating to your Jira site and entering your login details. Make sure you have all the necessary permissions to add tasks and subtasks in your chosen project. Once you're logged in, the next step is to locate the project where you want to create these subtasks. On your dashboard, you should see a list of projects. Simply click on the project that contains the task you want to break down into subtasks. This action will lead you to the project's overview page. Now you should see a list of tasks or issues within that project. Click on the task that you want to create multiple subtasks for. This will take you to the details page of that specific task, where we can get a bit more hands-on. Once you have the task open, look for the section labeled Subtasks. This area might be a bit embedded in the interface depending on your project layout, but it's usually visible underneath the main task details. Clicking on that will open a set of options for managing and creating subtasks related to the main task. Here comes the fun part. Let's create some subtasks. Look for a button that says Add Subtask. Clicking this will allow you to enter the details for your first subtask. Fill in the name or title of your subtask, and once you are satisfied with what you've written, hit the Enter key or click on the suitable icon to save your entry. You should see a confirmation that your first subtask has now been created, and it will appear in the list of existing subtasks linked to your main task. Great! You're doing fantastic so far. Now that we've conquered that first subtask, let's move on to the next one. Again, click on Add Subtask to repeat the process. Give your second subtask a name, and just like we did before, hit Enter or click the Save icon to add it to the list. You will notice with each subtask you create, Jira will continue to keep everything neatly organized under the main task. Let's create a third subtask. Just follow the same steps we've been using. Add the name, click Enter, and voila! You now have your third subtask set up and visible in your task view. Remember, if you need to create even more subtasks, you can continue this process as many times as required. Each subtask can represent a specific part of the work that needs to be completed for the main task, allowing you to manage work more effectively. Finally, once you've created all the subtasks you need, it's a smart idea to go back to the main task to make sure everything is in order. You should be able to see a total count of all the subtasks created, making it easy to track your project's progress. Congratulations! You've now learned how to create multiple subtasks in Jira effectively. This can be a game changer in managing projects, allowing for more detailed tracking and assignment of work. Make sure to explore other features in Jira that can enhance your project management experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Jira and other productivity tools efficiently. Happy task managing!